One clove of garlic goes in there, and then what we're going to do is just going to start building our pestos. There's so many different variations, but mine is the best. We're going to add it in to the garlic, and another component are nuts. Many recipes, so about 2 cups here. You put it in your grocery store, and then you can work it into a salad or pesto, just like we're going to do right here. We're going to get some walnuts as well. And it came out with a beautiful green texture on top. About a half a cup of walnuts here to go with our and our garlic. Lift that up. I really love the flavors of this. Walnuts are great for me, but if you don't like them, like I said, you try any other nut. Pecans work well with this too, as well. I'm going to put some cheese in it too. And like I said, you can just kind of switch your this is really good. Wow. Okay, so this is it. Really simple. We have a pesto. You can do it so many dishes, but for us, it's going to be on our green eggs and ham. It's going to be the green component. Shout out to Dr. Seuss, right? All right, let's get this in there. Like that off.
Yeah.
Most of my pepper got on my blade there. So I have to add them in the end.
Ozzy?